Welcome to episode 34 of FTCE Seminar, a teacher certification podcast. I'm your host, Mercedes Musto. Today, we will be having a math conversation about the order of operations to help you prepare for the FTCE General Knowledge Mathematics subtest. That's right, math. And in today's episode, we're diving into the realm of evaluating expressions using the order of operations. So set your Wayback Machines to PEMDAS, right? Have you ever looked at a complex mathematical expression and just wondered where to begin? Understanding the order of operations is crucial in mathematics because it provides a set of rules to determine which operations to perform first when you're evaluating an expression. So what exactly is this order of operations stuff? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's break it down. The commonly remembered acronym for the order of operations is PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, on the exam, you'll see a mathematical expression with directions that say simplify or evaluate. So let's jump right into an example. Now listen carefully. 6 plus 3 times 2 squared minus parentheses 8 divided by 4 parentheses. To evaluate this expression correctly, we need to follow the order of operations. Listen again. 6 plus 3 times 2 squared minus parentheses 8 divided by 4 parentheses. So first, we start with the parentheses. Are there any parentheses in our expression? Yes, there is. It's parentheses 8 divided by 4 parentheses. So we solve that first, which equals 2. Our expression now looks like this. 6 plus 3 times 2 squared minus 2. Next, we handle exponents. Do we have any exponents? We sure do. We've got 2 squared. 2 squared equals 4. So now our expression reads 6 plus 3 times 4 minus 2. Moving along, we look for multiplication and division from left to right. We have multiplication. Okay, we have right in the middle 3 times 4. And according to PEMDAS, it is the next operation to calculate. 3 times 4, well, that's 12. So now our expression becomes more simplified and reads 6 plus 12 minus 2. Finally, we perform addition and subtraction again from left to right. So 6 plus 12 equals 18. Then subtracting 2 gives us our final answer of 16. 16 is the final answer. You did it. I knew you could do it. Let's review. Without the order of operations, we would all get different answers on that one, and it would be chaos. Lucky for us, we have the rule PEMDAS. That gives us the sequence for evaluating mathematical expressions. But by following the order of operations, we're able to correctly evaluate expressions. So remember, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Exit ticket. I challenge you to have a math conversation with a colleague or friend and talk about the order of operations, what it is, and how to use it to evaluate mathematical expressions. It's like when we can talk things out, we can really reflect on the concepts, and then we can achieve confidence and understanding. For more practice with math, visit ftceseminar.com to study for the test. The important thing is to start studying today so you can pass the teacher certification exam. Well, what are you waiting for? Check us out on YouTube at FTCE Seminar and start studying today. This podcast was recorded at the Pickens Multimedia Studio at the University of West Florida. This podcast is listener supported. Contributions can be made via the listener support link on Spotify. This is your host, Mercedes Musto. Join me again on FTCE Seminar, a teacher certification podcast, so you can pass the FTCE.